See, it is like that. Every government will have their own way of working in supporting various sectors of economic growth. So one is that industry. In industry, again, if you see, you have a various level of industry. You have the micro, small, medium, and large. See, the most support required sector is MSME, okay, micro, small, and medium enterprises. Our state government, if we have our own government is having its industrial promotion policy placed in, focusing all the sectors. And if you see the micro area, we have a lot of other departments. There are about a couple of departments which is working various segment of micro. That means you have the rural based micro area. We have Khadi department, we have other departments which are supporting micro this thing. If you go to small and medium, most precisely, we have the Department of Industry and Commission of Industries. This is the department which supports. But if you see, for any sector to grow, it is not that one department matters. See, if you basically, if in industry, I can stratify the basic infrastructure, which is that most important things, and there's the credit one, and that the market availability, and also that administrative departments like labor department, inspector of factories, boilers department, and everything matters. And for this sector to grow, we need the mother industry. That's also one of the major requirement to have it. If our state to see it, that's what we as a PAPSI, because we are the large members from SME sector PAPSI. So we keep conducting the interactive sessions with the various segments of industry. Like we have engineering industry, we have pharma, we have machine tool, we have aerospace. We keep interacting with the segment-wise industries and what are the needs of that segment, respective segment. And based on that, we'll be conducting interactive sessions with the various government officials, and we keep promoting, you do this, we do this segment is required this. This is the segment which is having the prospective growth in Andhra Pradesh, considering that last 2-3 decades of their growth pattern and the skill sets and technology available, and that various major industries where our local industry can encounter and do the business. If you see that in Andhra Pradesh, if you're coming to the engineering sector, if you see it, because the pharma and bulk drug we have well established, even that segmentor is encountering the biggest problem from global demand competition, precisely from China. That's where that segment is also working how to improve the productivity. And for that, the government also required to support in terms of logistics and basic raw material support and all. So with engineering sector, if you see in India, we need to